Hey you guys, what is up and welcome back to another Peachybbies restocking video. This week we have a ton of slimes. I am looking at the list right now and it is a long one. If you like this video, you should definitely give it a like, share it with a friend. It would really help me out and I would love you forever for doing that. And then if you really want to help me out, turn on notifications. I'm going to be down in the comments for the first hour. So this video is live and I'm going to try and answer as many of you as possible. So if you want to come say hi, to come talk to me, or just hang out and meet some new friends, definitely go down below. So now let's get into the restock. So the first slime that we have, you guys have been seeing it as I've been talking, is called Peach Mango Italian Ice. This one is an icy texture. We had it last summer and a lot of you guys have been asking for more of the icy slimes. So this is the first in a long line of ices that are going to be brought back throughout the summer. This one is scented exactly like the name, so like a really sweet candied peach mango scent. It's amazing. If you love mangoes or if you love peaches, you know, the things in the name, you're going to love this one. I am a huge fan of it. It smells so good. As far as the texture goes with all of my icy slimes, they have about a mild drizzle and are very soft and holdable. Really great slimes if you want something that you can play with on the go or if you want something that's a cloud cream texture. Next we have Carnival Berries. A ton of you guys were asking me to bring back the cereal slimes, so we have a bunch of them for you today, and we also have a cereal trio. I'll show that to you guys in a second. But Carnival Berries, if you guys didn't know, is scented like berry cereal. Is a thick cream cheese base scented like berry cereal, which let me just say smells amazing. Any of the cereal smells are my favorite. I have a few that are scented very similar to Fruit Loops, very similar to Fruity Pebbles. So good. And then I wanted to show you guys some 8-ounce portions as well, so you guys could get a feel for how much comes in each container. Then we have another cereal slime. This one is the classic Captain Crunch. This one is really fun. I love all the colors of the beads. So all the cereal slime bases are pretty much identical. The base is really thick and clicky, and then you have those beads on the top, so you get a little bit of crunch and a little bit of that thick glossy base. This one is scented like a traditional Captain Crunch cereal, so it's really sweet. You get like that cereal milk smell. I am a huge fan of this one. This one has been my favorite forever, and it's a favorite for a reason. I have a link down there. It'll take you straight to the shop and you can check out what we have in stock. I know the cloud slimes and the OG slimes definitely go really quick, so if that's something that you want, go now. Get your hands on it before it's gone, but I wanted to let you guys know that that was down there. And here's that trio of cereal slimes I was talking about. So you get 1 2-ounce Carnival Berries, 1 2-ounce Captain Crunch, and then 1 2-ounce of something new. This one's called Banana Split Dippin' Dot Cereal. Yes, it is a real thing. I'll talk about it a little bit more when I talk about that one, but that is a new one included in the 3-piece set. So if you guys want to sample them, want to see what's going on with each of them, they're all kind of amazing, and I feel like you're going to love them. And then we have Watermelon Gummy. So Watermelon Gummy is a really thick, glossy, clear-based slime, scented, of course, like Watermelon Sour Patch Kids. It smells so good. You know me. You know one of my weaknesses is those Watermelon Sour Patch Kids. So I had to make something that was kind of dedicated to that. There are 2 versions of this slime. There's one with fishbowl beads and there's one without. I decided to make the one without this week because I just really love how clean and pure they are without anything in them. I don't know if that's probably me being weird, but that's just kind of how I like my slimes lately. But yeah, if you guys have any favorite candies, please comment them down below. I'd really love to hear, and maybe we can make a slime out of them. I'd definitely love to give you credit if I pick one of the ones that you guys suggest to me. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys 3 seconds to guess what this one is in the comments down below. So you better guess. I feel like everybody knows this one at this point because I've sung this song so much. But 3, 2, 1. If you didn't guess Baby Shark, you need to go Google that song on YouTube right now. It's gonna get stuck in your head. You're welcome, fam. But this one is called Baby Shark. So this one is a 2-tone cloud cream that has a little baby shark included. So this one is scented like a gummy shark, and then you get that 2-toned cloud cream, which is the light blue and the dark blue. Mixing it together, you get a medium toned blue. Don't really know if that was common sense or not, but like you mix the 2 blues together, it turns blue. You're welcome for that helpful information. Technically it is a whale shark, but it is still a shark, and they are so freaking adorable. I love them so much. And then the texture is a classic cloud cream texture. Moving on, we have another one of my favorites. This one is called Lawn Flamingo. So Lawn Flamingo, first of all, totally based off the Disney Channel movie Zombies, because when that came out, I was so obsessed with that movie. I loved it so much, and I was like, you know what? We're making a slime after it, but I named it Lawn Flamingo because it also reminds me of the flamingos that you see in Florida lawns. Half pink, half. This slime is a mixture between a classic cloud cream and a cloud dough texture. So it's got a slight fluff to it, but it's still really soft and spreadable. And then it's scented like saltwater taffy, so it smells really, really yum. Then we have Pink Lemonade Ice Pop. I told you guys I was making a lot of different icy slimes this week. I definitely want to bring out more as the summer goes on, just because I feel like they're really summery. They're really fun. They give you that summer vibe. This one is scented, of course, like pink lemonade. It smells super good, especially if you love like more tangy tart scents. And then it is topped off with those yellow beads just for a little bit of color to make it look like the actual drink. This one is more of a classic cloud dough texture, so you're going to get a lot more fluff with this one. It is a little bit stiffer and a lot more holdable than a cloud cream would be. So if that's your vibe, if you are somebody who likes to take their slime on the go, carry it around, but don't want to make a huge mess, definitely recommend the cloud doughs. I really love this one, but then again, you guys know all the slimes in my shop are kind of like my children, so I kind of love all of them. So the next slime is, of course, another icy slime. This one is new though. So this one is Raspberry Daiquiri Icy, scented exactly like the name. So it's kind of like a fruity mixed drink scent with a 2-tone swirl. So you guys get to mix it yourselves at home. This one, again, has a lot of fluff to it. Get your hands on the ices because I don't think I'm going to keep restocking them after the summer. They're summer slimes. You know, you can't do them all the time. And then finally, we have the new one. I talked about it a little bit in the cereal trio, but I feel like I have to explain myself with this one because the name is so long. Banana Split Dippin' Dots cereal. It took me 3 breaths to say that. But it is actually a real thing. I saw this, I think, on Twitter, and it's actually a cereal, you guys. Like, Dippin' Dots made a cereal, and I was like, I have to recreate this cereal. This one is scented like Banana Split, so it's really heavy on the cereal milk scent with banana and then a little bit of strawberry in it. So it's like a Banana Split, but like with a cereal twist. It smells amazing. I love it. So you've got a vanilla bean milk, and then you have the pink and the yellow and the little white beads for a lot of crunch. And I hope you are prepared because this is a long episode, a long restock. There's a lot of stuff in the shop this week, so it's a little bit of a longer video. So this one is Berry Blueberry cereal. Like I said, this one is a classic cereal texture. It's really thick, and then it has those rainbow beads. And then this one is a berry scent, but it's a little bit more on the blueberry side than Carnival Berries, which is a little bit more on the raspberry scented side. It's a slight difference and the main difference is, but I really like both of them. It just depends on what is your favorite color, I guess. Then we have another slime I have not had in the shop for a hot second. This one is Salted Caramel Crunch. So in Orlando, there's this place that sells amazing oatmeal cookies, and they have like cornflakes in them, so they're kind of sweet and kind of salty, and I wanted to recreate it into a slime because I wanted you guys to experience how amazing these cookies are. So it has that exact cookie scent and a really thick and glossy base. This one is really great if you want something that has a little bit of texture because you get all of the foam beads on top, but it's also super glossy and clicky, so you get the best of both worlds. Moving on, we have another cloud cream. Look at this one. Look at that fluff. I'm so happy with how that turned out. I'm not even gonna lie to you. So anyone in the comments down below, what is this slime named? Please let me know, inform me. I know what it is, but like I want you to participate in this video. I want you to feel like you're helping me out, and I would appreciate some names in the comments. Thank you. You guys know I love you. I'm always trying to get you to like get involved. Come hang out with me. Talk to me down below. Let's talk about slimes. I want to hang out with you guys. This one is called Pink Hearts. So this is like a distant cousin of Candy Hearts. It is a lot sweeter smelling, and it is slightly scented like berries, whereas Candy Hearts is like a straight up candy heart scent. It comes with 3 different colors, the white, the light pink, and then the darker colored pink, and you get to mix them all up yourself, and it turns into this really pretty like candy colored pink. This one is a mix between a cloud dough and a cloud cream, so it is pretty thick, it's pretty holdable, and it has a slight fluff to it. So it's a little bit of the best of both worlds, but this is definitely one of my favorites when I'm traveling because it doesn't make a huge mess, which is a huge plus for me because I am a really messy person, guys. I'm sure you know that by now, but like I will ruin anything. Like you give me slime, odds are it's going to end up on my clothes, which probably isn't a good thing. I need to stop doing that. Then we have some pink Starburst in a big container. So this one, again, all of my bases, I make sure that they're really thick and really good for clicking or for making bubble pops, anything like that, because that's just my preference. That's what I like. Oh, this one smells so good. But this one is pink Starburst scented with all of those cute little Starburst colored beads on top. Next we have Maple Candy Cloud Cream. A lot of you guys have been asking for this one, so we've been trying to bring it back for you. Here's a big bin of it. It's a little bit thicker than normal, so it is a lot more holdable, and it's got a decent amount more fluff than it normally has. So if you're really into the maple candy smell and you want something that's a little bit fluffier than normal, definitely grab one of this batch. I kind of like it. I kind of want to start making it like this, but I don't know. Buy one, let me know what you think, and then tell me if I should keep making it a little fluffier. I will say though, next fall, oh, you guys just wait. Next fall, I'm going to have so much Maple Candy Cloud Cream. It is such like a perfect fall slime. Then we have another one, and this one is a spin-off of a slime that I made for Black Friday. I made a coffee and donut scented slime for Black Friday. It was limited edition, and you guys really like that one, so we decided to bring it back. This one is really cool because it's got 2 different textures in it, so it is 2/3 cloud cream and then 1/3 jelly slime. They're really cool because you get to mix in the colors yourself, and then it's topped off with those cute little rainbow beads, and once you mix it up, it makes this pretty pink color, and it gives you a texture that is like a really soft cloud cream. This one has a coffee and donuts scent with the coffee part coming from the pink, and then the jelly donut scent coming from, of course, the jelly, because like it's iconic. It's so cute. I love it so much. Then finally, we have some chocolate truffles. These ones are definitely cloud slime, so they're super fluffy, and I tried to show you the fluff. I don't think I got it on camera very well. I was kind of panicking. My camera was almost dying at this point. Scented like rich chocolate fudge, and then you get a randomized chocolate charm on top, which I think that makes them super, super cute. So that is about it for this video. If you liked it, like I said, give it a thumbs up. I'll be in the comments down below for the next hour or so talking to you guys, hanging out. And if you guys want to see more slimes, if you want to check out the slime games, go to the Peachybbies Instagram, link down below. If you guys want to check out the restock, go down below. Or go to peachybbies.com. If you guys buy anything from the restock, please send it to me on Instagram. I really, really want to feature a ton of you guys in this week's restock that you've bought stuff just saying thank you. Like, I really wanted to say thank you when I appreciate everything you've done for me, and I'm so glad that you're liking the stuff we're making. Love you guys very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!